It's grilling time again here on Simple, and today we are making two seafood recipes na sigurado akong you will enjoy. These recipes are part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today, hindi lang tayo ang mabubusog, kundi yung lulutuin natin, pinabusog din natin sa mga palaman, mga ricados na magpapasarap sa kanya. So, we start off with our squid. So, meron tayong pusit lumot dito, no? And we remove, very important, linisan natin siya, no? Remove everything from inside. And meron tayo, ito, look at that, no? May spine siya, no? At the back, ito. May transparent siya na spine. We will remove that as well. And I will simply prepare my marinade. Meron ako ditong datu puti, soy sauce, and calamansi. You can also use our UFC sinigang powder as an alternative to calamansi. What we will do is we'll just pour our marinade, yan, to our pusit, yan. Quick marinade lang siya, and gagawin na natin yung ating palaman. So, meron tayong ginger, luya, no? Minced ginger, minced onions, yan. Magtira tayo ng konti para sa ating sausawan. Minced tomatoes, diced tomatoes here. Magtira din tayo para sa ating sausawan. And leeks. We'll have to season with salt, of course. Kalimutan ko yung mag-salt. Salt, just season our palaman with salt and pepper. Yan. And we stuff our pusit. Yan, the cavity of our pusit. Bubusugin talaga natin ng todo yung ating pusit. And we put back the head, look at that, no? And we secure the head, no? The tentacles with a barbecue stick. And ano nangyayari when we grill squid? Usually, di ba, etong body niya, medyo matagal siya maluto kasi medyo makapal siya. And always, nasusunog yung ating tentacles, no? Nasusunog siya kasi maninipis siya. So what I usually do, you get a little bit of tin foil, aluminum foil, and you can wrap the tentacles. So, ito yung ginagawa ko para hindi masayang kasi I love eating the tentacles, pero usually pag hindi maayos yung pagka-grill, yan, nasusunog siya. So, that's what you do. Just cover it up and we will arrange it in our griller. So, we just brush our squid with a little oil. Yan. And baliktarin natin yung ating squid. Look at that. It's almost done. Malalaman mo na luto na yung squid mo pag when you press it, nagiging firm na siya. So, hinahabol na lang natin maluto yung kabilang side. And once maluto na siya, doon na natin tatanggalin yung ating foil. And look at that, no? Alam natin na luto na yung ating squid kasi nag-pop na rin yung ice. And what we will do now is we will remove the foil para eto naman maluto yung tentacles niya. And our squid is done. Of course, very quick. Yan. Ating squid. And in the meantime, gagawa tayo ng ating sausawan. Di ba? May natira tayong mga ricados. And we have our onions, our tomatoes, our leeks. Then dadagdagan ko lang siya ng siling labuyo. Yan, mas masarap. Yan. And combination of datu puti, suka and toyo. That's masarap, of course. And calamansi. Yan. Very quick sausawan to this recipe. Yan. So what you will do is you just score the squid. Yan. Beautiful, no? And that's done ang ating binusog na pusit, no? Inihaw na pusit. However you want to call it. Iba naman yung bubusugin ko ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng stuffed bangus. May stuffing tayo na medyo kapareho lang ng pusit. And what we will do, we will just combine all of this. We have our ginger, luya, of course, and minced onions, tomatoes, We season that with salt and pepper. I will also season my fish. Yan. Medyo generous lang yung ating salt ng konti. Also the other side, I will add a sprinkling of sinigang powder, UFC sinigang mix, and I will stuff. And I'm going to wrap it now. So I have a piece of banana leaf. Initin ko lang dito sa aking uling just to make it tender. And meron din akong foil. I will just prepare my wrap. Halos it's grilled, but what will happen? It will steam inside. Yan. And I put my bangus over. Yan. Like that, huh? I will add something that I really love pag nagluluto ako nito. I add butter, around 2 tablespoons of butter. Sobrang linamnam niya. And we just wrap everything together. Yan. Busog na busog yung ating bangus. We wrap it first with the banana leaf. Yan. And we wrap it with our aluminum foil. Immediately, just put it on the grill and wait for it to cook. So ito siya mga 25 to 30 minutes. And it's going to be so delicious. So yung kailangan natin gawin ngayon ay antayin lang natin siya maluto. So around 12 to 15 minutes per side. And it's been cooking for close to 10 minutes. Babaliktarin ko siya. Yan. So very important, we will not only grill the 2 sides, but after grilling both sides, we will let our bangus, stand on its belly para maluto yung ating bangus belly kasi yun ang pinakamasarap na part ng ating bangus. Kaya eto na yung ating 2 recipes for today. Binusog or stuffed squid, and of course, binusog or stuffed bangus. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.